Hey guys, so I bought the Elgato backdrop. I'm really excited to experiment that. So I'm going to show you how it works and whether it improves the quality of my Zoom virtual background. I guess we could do that for both images and videos. Okay, just like that, right? Okay, now let me turn on Zoom and see how it works. So one thing I like to point out is that, as you can see, my green screen isn't that wide. In this case, a lot of creators actually will buy two of these things or have a much wider backdrop. Now, here's the crazy thing. I go into virtual background and I check green screen. And then now I'm gonna choose a, look at this crazy stuff. What you wanna do is try another image, whatever other image you got there. Just give it a shot. Maybe one of the generic ones. You see what's happening right now? Literally is displaying the image on my face. It's treating my face as a green screen. Here's how you do this. You can, turns out, this option here, which nobody can see, it's about manually picking the color of the background if the detected color is inaccurate. So step one, you're gonna click on this little bar here, and now you see it changes the cursor into this. All you have to do is just click on that. Now, your backdrop is gonna display exactly what you wanted to display. Here's the challenge. You actually need a bigger green screen. But can you see the difference? You can still see the background in my room, which indicates that you need a bigger backdrop once again. But now, when I'm within, you can still see a little bit of blurriness, but you see, like, as I'm moving my fingers, as I'm dancing and all that, I'm moving around, you don't see that artifacts anymore. It's kind of crazy, right? If I move really quick, you can still see it. Wow, just look at that, right? Wow, look at the quality. It's like literally like I'm propped in front of the screen right now. And this comparison, I mean, it's just stunning, the result. There's that. I hope you guys find this helpful. Most importantly, remember, you can click on this. You click on this button and then select the backdrop. Helps a lot. See you guys later. Bye.